Alright, here's what we're going to do. We're going to take this emblem off. I've been debating on how to do it, and got a pretty good tip from a guy. So I'm going to try this, see how it goes. But just to give you an idea, everybody's got one of these big wad of twine, mason twine. At least I do anyway. I've always got a big wad of mason twine somewhere that you can't use none of it. I cut me off about a 16-inch piece. I'm going to take it, just tuck right in behind here, just like that, and use it like a saw. I'm going to work my way around it. Just cutting it right off. I'm going to have a little bit of glue left on the fender, but I'm going to work my way around it so that I'm not breaking the bottom part of it. There we go. Now I just got to get this off the truck. It's just a matter of taking your fingers, kind of peeling it. And then I actually use, believe it or not, brake clean on a rag. Softens the glue. Then you just wipe it down, buff it down. Show you the other side's already done. Fender flares on. Now I'll just move my emblem up. Some people like to de-badge them. I like my Cummins emblem. Thank you.